Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check all of your unread message at once into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Google Chat application, and after opening the Google Chat application, this homepage will be visible to you. Now, in order to check all of your unread message at once, you just simply have to tap into this unread button just below your profile picture icon. Tap to that unread button, and if you have any unread messages, you can see all of them into this homepage. Just simply do that and you are all set. I hope this video was pretty informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you don't want to miss any other update from the channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching this video.